Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Diploma in Project Management, DPM. The Diploma in Project Management, DPM, is a program designed to provide individuals with comprehensive knowledge and skills in managing projects effectively. It typically covers various aspects of project management, including planning, execution, monitoring, and closing of projects across different industries. Diploma in Project Management, DPM, benefits. A Diploma in Project Management, DPM, offers several benefits to individuals seeking to enhance their skills and careers in this field: specialized knowledge, career advancement, versatility, professional credibility, networking opportunities, preparation for certifications, improved project management skills, leadership development, enhanced problem-solving skills, increased job opportunities and salaries. Diploma in Project Management, DPM, employment. A Diploma in Project Management, DPM, can significantly enhance your employment prospects across various industries. Here's how: demand across industries, job titles, career advancement, entry-level opportunities, certification preparation, adaptability and transferable skills, networking opportunities, global opportunities, consulting and contracting, job stability and security. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.